You girls guard the fort, okay? I'm going to the shed. To be able to heat the house more, I'm first gonna need more power. I'm already working out with the EDP, the electrical company here, what they can supply here in the village, because it might not be much. And then is the question how much it's gonna cost if we want a little bit more power. Because it's not much what we have. Like when I put the heater on now, and maybe the heater for the shower is also turning on, then the power goes out. So that's not ideal. But we also have another solution. This very heavy package here. And another equally as heavy package somewhere down there. Yes. Ooh. No, that's not equally as heavy. Equally as important though. Ooh. Any of you guys have any experience on this stuff? I think I'm going to need some help here. I've been researching on YouTube, and what kind of caught me was, like, this is a system for the solar panels, right? That, for instance, I never realized that if you are connecting solar panels to your system, the moment they're in the sun, there's like voltage on the wires, which might make a lot of sense to a lot of people, but not to me. Well, now it makes sense, but I never thought of it. And these things that work with a lot more amps. I don't know exactly what is the... I think it's like if the amps are higher, it's more dangerous. If the volts are higher. I don't know exactly. But this should be fairly straightforward to connect it. But you need also like ridiculously large wires, for instance, that go in here into the battery thing. These are the input and the output for the mains, and also the solar in. But like for instance this one that connects to the battery, it's gonna have a lot of like amps going through there. So this is a 2AWG, and you need really thick wires for that. So I'm gonna do some more research, and if I don't think it's gonna be a wise idea to do it, then I'll try and get somebody here from the area to come and help me out. But like I said, it should be fairly straightforward, although this battery looks complicated with all these dip switches and stuff. It does have a breaker. And it probably also has power at this point, so maybe I should be careful what I'm doing. Hey, Achille. Ah, boa cadela. Boa cadela. We go in a bit, sweetie. Espera un poquito. Espera un poquito.
First off, for building these systems, you'll never ever touch 48 volt conductors, ever. So all you have to do is know how to work with 48 volts in your set. But keep in mind that when these batteries are fully charged, they can kill you. It's very rare, and people will argue against me and say, oh, I've touched 100.
We don't want that. Huh? Okay, so this guy is explaining it should be fairly safe to set up. So we probably only need some cables, like some really thick wires. And the specifications are for the wires are actually in the manual of the inverter. So that should be fine. Come on up, sweetie. Hi. What do you think? Can we do it? Yeah, I need to be careful, huh? Don't want no dumbass DIY.
Build a system without touching high voltage with these all-in-one systems. Previously, you'd have circuit breakers, you'd have your shunt, you'd have all this stuff on a board, and if you were to fall on that board or if it wasn't protected, you could get a shock, and that was dangerous. But now we have these all-in-one systems and server rack batteries with a circuit breaker built in. So all you need is 2 wires coming from this unit down to the battery. So let's get started. We're going to connect this 48 volt grow watt to this 48 volt server rack battery.
Sounds like he's making sense.
Now the next step is connecting these to the battery. Because the battery is off, it's safe to work with. First, we're going to put the positive conductor on the positive terminal and then tighten it down. For extension cable, cutting it right in the middle and then stripping the ends. So when you connect the solar panels, you have to do it in the proper way so you're never touching a high voltage.
Barely fit into my jacket with all these clothes on. This way, girls. Rain also. It's watery cold today. Yeah, if we want a heat pump or an electronic boiler for the floor heating, we're gonna need some more power. And I hope we can get the mains upped by a lot of kilowatts. We only have not even 5 now, I think. It would be great if we can get like 10 or something. But we also need a new breaker, because the breaker we have is only 20 amps. Which can not even do like the full amount we have now. So, yeah. Where did those girls go? Girls! Not pay attention for 1 second. Come on! Oh wow, they're out in the field already on the end of the walk. They must have been chasing something. They can't even hear me. There you are. Where did you go? I saw already, you guys were way out there. Now you're pretending you were just here, huh? Sneaky girls. Sneaky, sneaky girls. Hey! Where are you going? I think they're smelling the piggies. And Akira can make a sound like a piggy, like when she's smelling. Like... Yes, you. So he's probably already long gone again. God damn it. Where's your sister going? Zoe is going on the big walk. She was just here. What do you have to say for it, Akira? Akira doesn't care. She'll be back. Let's enjoy our lights. Zoe! Come on, you little cow. Fakka. Tu és uma faca. I'm just kidding, sweetie. Zoe, Zoe, Zoe. Funny enough, it seemed that my calling helped. She's heading this way again. Yuck. Yuck. Ah, there you are. Now you're all wet. Yeah, go sit in front of the dryer. Akira? Very, very wet. Zoe! Come on. Come on. Is it okay? What's going on? No problem? Zoe.